a vlog style video today. Vlog slash, I don't really know what to call this. But today, what we're doing, because I'm taking you guys with me, is I'm going to right now I'm headed to the Dollar Tree just to pick up a few products. I don't know if I'm going to do more so hair or makeup. Probably do both. I guess we'll find out once I get there if I find anything worth grabbing. So yeah, I believe I did a video like this before where I brought a bunch of stuff from Dollar Tree, or was it Lidl's? Something like that. I think it was Lidl's. I bought a bunch of stuff to try out on my hair, and I actually enjoyed doing that video. So we'll see how this one turns out. Like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be doing hair or makeup or both. We're going to figure that out. But yeah, so yeah, I'm headed to the Dollar Tree and I'm going to see what they have, if they have anything at all. And I got to put my shades on because it's bright out here. I'll see you guys when I get there, okay? Okay. Alright, you guys, so I've made it to the Dollar Tree. It was a short little ride. I'm about to go in here, see what they have, if they have anything at all. I'm going to pick up some stuff. And I don't know if I'm going to record when I go in there. I guess we'll find out. Yeah. Let's go ahead and head inside and see what we can find. Okay. Alright, you guys, so I'm back in the car. Let me take this off so you guys can actually see me talking to y'all. I got a few things. I got a lot of stuff. Actually, I got more than what I wanted to get. I got a lot. I kind of went crazy. In the Dollar Tree. There's people driving by. I get kind of nervous. I get really nervous when recording in front of people. But yeah, you guys, so that's all the stuff I got. I'm gonna go home, show you guys what I got. Alright, you guys, so I'm back home. Now I'm going to show you the products that I got from the Dollar Tree. Alright, you guys, so the first thing I got is this Mega Cushion Foundation with SPF. This is in the color Tawny. And I also got this in the color Neutral Beige. I also got this Blender Sponge. I got this LA Colors Matte Foundation. This is in the color Cafe. And then I also got this pressed powder, and this is in the color Cocoa. I got this Glow with the Flow highlighter. I got this mascara. This is called Va Va Voom mascara. I also got this volumizing mascara as well, guys. Then I got this contour palette. I got this blush. This is in the color Jam. I got this liquid eyeliner just to try it out to see how well it will be. I also got this lip gloss called So Lit. I also got this setting spray. Yes, they have setting spray at the Dollar Tree. I also got this liquid lipstick. This is in the color Cherry. Just want to try out a red lipstick. I also got this other lipstick. This is in the color Mauve. Again, was just trying colors that I thought would fit me. I got these two lip pencils. One side is a darker shade and the other side is a lighter shade. So yeah, guys, that is everything that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna try these products out on my face. So if you guys want to see that video is coming up, so stay tuned for that. If you did enjoy this vlog style slash haul video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new. Comment anything down below that you guys want to see from me, if anything. And yeah, again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.